guys, this is Danielle with WTI here, and I'm here to share with you a part of a renovation to our RV. I'm going to show you an up close of it. So they come in a pack that looks like this, and I like the fact that each square, you can kind of cut around it if you want, because it leaves you that extra space. But I just want to show you here how you would peel it off. It's super simple to take off, and you just basically put it wherever you want it. So we wanted to put this in our RV just to add a little bit of color. This was an easy project to do, and I didn't have any issues with it sticking to the surface I was putting it on. It does say once it sticks, you can't re-stick it, but I really like how this turned out, and I think that the colors were awesome and vibrant, super easy to apply, and even on the top, I actually cut a piece of the tile just so I can put it up to a certain height, but it turned out great. It looks awesome. You can see the design a little bit right here, and I saw that these were one of many different designs, so they have lots going on, and this could be a really fun project just to do a section of your house and make it look different temporarily. So I highly recommend this product, but that's just my point of view.